what is Doreo gravulens? Actually, they call this the mini durian. And what's unique about Doreo gravulens is that it is only found in just a few parts of Southeast Asia, mainly Borneo, Malaysian Peninsula, Palawan in the Philippines, and maybe Sulu or Tawi-Tawi, and occasionally in Sumatra, Indonesia. Now, if you'd ask me, why is Doreo gravulens such an object of interest right now? Well, mainly because of its size. And second, because of the myth that it has aphrodisiac qualities. But that's beside the point. So, people have been asking me, what's the taste of Doreo gravulens compared to the regular durian, Musang King, B101, Puyak, Bangkok, and whatever? Well, for one, Doreo gravulens is not as pungent as the regular durian. The smell is mild. It's not offensive to the nose. And second, it has less flesh actually compared to the regular durian. And another thing, it comes in 3 colors: red, orange, and yellow. And the taste actually is not that sweet. It's like, I don't know if you know atis. It's like atis. Sweeter version of atis. But mind you, while we are actually very, very interested in Doreo gravulens, I would like to caution you that there is no huge market yet for this product. Well, number one, because it's small. Number two, because the flesh actually is not as thick as the regular durian. But I actually bought 4 seedlings from Bernard Bautista, who propagates this in his farm in Patulangon, Makilala. And this is one of the seedlings I bought. I will plant this, make this as my mother trees in the hope that I'll be able to propagate this very exotic fruit. So if you're a fruit tree hobbyist and fancier, plant Doreo gravulens. If you're a commercial fruit tree producer, well, go slow, because the market hasn't been developed yet. But who knows? The uniqueness of this fruit may carve a niche market in the future. And when the time comes, maybe we will be making a lot of money from this exotic durian variety called Doreo gravulens.